Welcome to the Grand Wailea, a Waldorf Astoria Resort in Maui, Hawaii, where our journey begins in the open-air lobby, offering a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. Check-in was quick and seamless, and we received a detailed map of the sprawling 40-acre resort to help us explore every corner. Where luxury meets natural beauty. Nestled along the pristine shores of Wailea Beach, this world-class resort offers stunning ocean views, lush gardens, and unparalleled amenities. Enjoy spacious rooms, exquisite dining, and a variety of recreational activities, including pools, a spa, and cultural experiences. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, the Grand Wailea provides an unforgettable Hawaiian escape with exceptional service and breathtaking scenery. Let's take a look at the accommodations. This is our King Oceanfront room. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by an inviting, tropical-inspired retreat designed for pure relaxation. Let's start with the luxurious bathroom. Right away, you'll notice the spacious walk-in shower. It's open and airy, stocked with premium hair and body products that had a heavenly tropical scent. Adjacent to the shower is a deep, relaxing soaking tub, perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun. And for getting ready, there's a magnified cosmetic mirror that makes everything so much easier and more precise. For extra convenience and privacy, the toilet is in a separate enclosed room. Moving into the main living area, practicality meets comfort. You'll find an espresso coffee machine with a selection of pods, ready for your morning brew or afternoon pick-me-up. Below is a mini fridge, and it included 2 reusable stainless steel water bottles with hydration stations located throughout the hotel. For peace of mind, there's an in-room safe to secure your valuables, and for ultimate comfort, plush robes and slippers are provided. At the heart of the room is the beautiful king bed, topped with soft, luxurious pillows. We found the mattress to be incredibly comfortable, supportive yet plush, and perfect for getting a great night's sleep. You'll also enjoy a large TV for streaming or catching up on shows, a separate table and chairs ideal for meals or work, and a comfortable couch that pulls out into an extra bed if needed. The entire space is accented with tropical rattan-style decor. And the crown jewel, the beautiful lanai, our private balcony. Here, the breathtaking view of the Pacific Ocean stretches out before us with endless blue waves, fresh sea breezes, and that unbeatable sense of awe. Whether you're sipping coffee at sunrise or watching the sunset with a drink in hand, this is the perfect setting for total relaxation. Activities and amenities to enjoy included in your daily resort fee without ever even leaving. Make sure to take advantage of it by reserving a 45-minute photography session with Pacific Dream Photography. For those seeking relaxation and fitness, sign up for a beach yoga class or try scuba and snorkeling lessons in the resort's dedicated scuba pool. Don't forget about the cultural classes, which add a unique local touch. Just remember to reserve these early as they do fill up quickly. For families, the Keiki Club offers daily adventures in arts, games, and cultural activities. The Cave Game Room features virtual reality pods, 4D games, billiards, ping pong, and shuffleboard, although their hours and availability are very limited. Ice machines are conveniently located on every floor. However, note that there are no guest-accessible self-service laundry services. The resort provides professional laundry and dry cleaning services for a fee only. On-site car rentals are available from Enterprise with very easy reservations. However, be prepared that valet parking is the only parking option and costs approximately $75 per day. Be sure to check out the Grand Wailea shops, where you can find exquisite art pieces, as well as name-brand apparel, including Aloha shirts and swimwear, souvenirs, and so much more from all your favorite brands. Vets on Vacation pro tip: see the front desk or concierge to get more details on how to get a free tote bag from Grand Wailea. For outdoor enjoyment, explore the Wailea Beach path along the shoreline, connecting several resorts and perfect for scenic walks, jogging, and beach access. And the shops at Wailea provide an area of high-end retail, jewelry, art, groceries, and dining options.
One of the great things you can get when you're here at the Hawaiian Islands are, pretty sure I'm saying this wrong, but what I've always called them is mochis, and they're these pretty much giant donut balls, but this one's a sweet potato. They're absolutely amazing. I've always loved these things since I was in Okinawa, and they're just the best, especially first thing in the morning when they're warm.
Don't miss the free daily events, including the Polynesian hula shows and cultural activities to further enrich your Maui experience. If luxurious spa treatments and wellness are something that you seek, the Grand Wailea has you covered. Check out the Kilolani Spa and Salon, located on the ground floor of the resort. Get in a workout at the Fitness Center, where best-in-class brands including Peloton and Techno Gym, plus a Therabody Theragun station are available for post-workout relief. And here in Hawaii, where paradise meets luxury, let's talk swimming pools. The Wailea Canyon Activity Pool spans over 25,700 square feet. This incredible pool features 9 pools across 6 levels, 5 exciting slides, a lazy river, a rope swing, and a sandy bottom lagoon, a swim-up bar, and so much more. For those seeking pure relaxation, unwind at the Hibiscus Serenity Pool. Covering 4,850 square feet, this adult-only oasis offers 2 jacuzzis and a serene atmosphere perfect for unwinding. Pool chairs are available on a first-come, first-served basis, and towels are conveniently located at towel huts across the resort. Something else that we love about the Grand Wailea, the pools and hot tubs are heated and open until 10 p.m. So you can spend the whole day exploring the island and still get the most out of your resort fee. And let's talk food. Where at the Grand Wailea, the dining experience is as spectacular as the island itself. Enjoy from a variety of 10 unique options, starting with Luau, the cafe market offering gourmet, quick-serve, made-to-order dishes. Wailea Surf House offers poolside dining for a relaxing meal by the water. For more tropical libations and casual cuisine, visit the Grotto Bar's Swim Up Bar. Or cool off with refreshing treats at Halelaka's Shave Ice near the pools. Craving street food? The Aloha Trick Pony food truck by the beach sidewalk serves delicious tacos and our favorite, the taco salad. In the open-air Botero Lounge, indulge in nightly live music and specialty cocktails amongst the stunning Fernando Botero sculptures. For fine dining, be sure to reserve ahead a table at Olivine for oceanfront Italian cuisine. Or savor some sushi, Japanese, and Peruvian dishes at Nobu, Grand Wailea. Seafood lovers will delight in Humuhumunukunukuapua'a, a seafood and steakhouse featuring a live aquarium bar. Vets on Vacation pro tip, these beach chairs are absolutely free to rent. They're a great style that comes with a backpack so you can carry them anywhere you would like to with ease. The rental counter opens at 7 a.m. and they are first come, first serve. Another thing to be sure to take advantage of is bring your own flotation devices and they'll fill them for you absolutely free. The Grand Wailea Resort's beachfront location offers the perfect setting to relax and unwind. Be sure to check out the rental stands for beach chairs and umbrellas. Reserve yours for a comfortable day in the sun. For the adventurous, Aqualani offers stand-up paddleboards to explore the crystal clear waters, and Maui Pacific Tours provides authentic experiences paddling traditional outrigger canoes. Snorkel gear and boogie boards are also available right here on the beach, so you can dive into the vibrant underwater world or catch some waves. Our favorite activity? Snorkeling, right from the beach, where you might even hear the majestic songs of humpback whales during season, with breathtaking views of Molokini Crater and the island of Lanai. Paradise is just steps away.
Now follow my lead.
Don't miss the Polynesian-style luau. We just got our welcome drinks, a blue Hawaiian punch, alcoholic version, and a non-alcoholic version, so let's check it out. Offering private seating, exceptional service, and a delicious family-style feast, accompanied by captivating dancers sharing the stories of Maui.
But as a luau is a time of good food, family fun, and friends, we have some activities set up around the perimeter for your enjoyment, participation, and experiencing. To start off, on my left-hand side, we have 2 lovely hula maidens sitting down on the grass. What they're doing is they're putting Hawaiian tattoos onto everyone. Now, just up towards the ocean side from our lovely hula maidens, still on my left-hand side, we have a handsome kani teaching everybody how to play pala'i'e. Now, this is a nice little eye-hand catch and release coordination kind of a game. Now, way off on the backhand side, off to my right, We have two more handsome kanes showing everybody how to play ulu maika. This is an ancient Hawaiian lawn bowling game. Have our instructors show you how to take a nice little round rock. Pitch it on the ground in between two sticks to obtain points. Whoever gets the most points wins. Challenge our instructors, okay? Now, when you first came on through, everybody would have gotten a nice little beverage. If it's already time to refill that beverage, or you'd like a different libation, the bar is on the opposite side of the stage, out towards the ocean side, Makai side, as we say here in Hawaii. Simply put, the more you drink, the better everything is going to be tonight, okay? It's just that simple. So, suck 'em up, as we say here in Hawaii. Hipa hipa kako. Cheers to one and all. Bars open all night long. Now, you have hula, as we say here in Hawaii. Our oli speaks of the arising and the awakening of the sun as it warms and illuminates Mother Earth. Our hula speaks of Kanaloa. That island just across the sea there that we also call Kaho'olawi. From its highest mountain point, you can see furthest down the Hawaiian chain, from the island of Hawaii to the island of Oahu. Your master of the fire, Chief Mana. Ladies and gentlemen, Chief Mana and the men of Honuaula.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure through paradise. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you're the first to know when the next video drops from Bets on Vacation. Looking for even more aloha? Check out our other videos featuring dreamy resorts with unreal views, action-packed excursions, fiery luau's under the stars, and breathtaking national parks across the islands of Oahu, Maui, Kauai, and the Big Island. Until next time, mahalo!